So we have a new switch here from Planet. So this is an industrial switch. The part number is IGS-5225-4UP1T2S. Bit of a mouthful, but that's the part number that's been given. So this one here is a minus 40 to 75 degrees industrial switch. You can actually have a power supply input of 48 to 56 volts. This particular unit here is IP30 rated, all aluminium, and can support up to 95 watts per port. So we'll just quickly open the box and show you what you get inside. So inside you get your manual. Manual basically tell you, base specs of the switch, how you can connect into it, whether that be via console port or via web interface. That's pretty much all the instructions in here is how to connect up to this switch and manage it. To connect via console port, you're going to need this cable here. So you've got serial to RJ45, which plugs directly into the switch via its console port. We've also got a wall mount kit with some dust caps to block off those ports that aren't being used at the time. So if we look at the unit itself, it's actually wrapped in an anti-static bag. If we look at the side, so this is a new design from Planet, so now you'll notice they'll start coming in blue and silver. So we've got some extra cooling down the side. Look at the back, that's where you've got your DIN rail mount. Basically tells you the model number and serial number. Other side's exactly the same. If we look at the top of the unit, we've got different coloured terminal blocks here. So the green one here is where your power will be connected into. You can actually take two power sources just in case one fails for redundancy, and the yellow terminal up there allows you to have some relay contacts out. There's also an earth screw here for allow you to connect directly into earth. If we go to the front of the unit, that's where your console connector gets plugged into if you're trying to use it via terminal. We've also got a couple of indicators here, such as your power supply 1, power supply 2, fault, your input outputs. Other cool thing is we've got two Sfp ports here, which you can mix and match depending on your fiber that you've got on site. Allows you to connect into a fiber switch or create that link that you're trying to achieve from switch to switch. We've also got a Ethernet port here, up to 1 gig, and we've got 4 ports here of 95 watt PoE that you can use there. So indicators on the side tell you which ports are being in use. But yeah, one of the cool features of this switch is it comes now with a thing called PD Alive check. So basically what happens if there's no activity on one of these ports, it actually reboot the port. So you don't have to go out to site, reboot that power camera or power cycle that camera, which you all know is a real pain. So yeah, that's one of the cool new features of this industrial switch. So that's the IGS-5225-4UP1T2S from Planet.